Yeah. I want to thank y'all. Thank y'all. Yeah. I used to be a lover. What?
What's up, y'all? It's Jaida here, back again with another video. Today I'll be doing a initial hair review on Alipearl from Aliexpress. I received 20-inch frontal, 20, 22, and 22-inch bundles. This is the packaging. I'm kind of shocked. I thought it would be in like some type of box, but yep, I think they just sent it to me like this. We'll see. It is curly hair. Like, I'm super excited. I was trying to pick when I was working with the company if I was going to have straight hair or curly hair, and I decided to have just curly hair with black hair, because the last video I made with hair, it was like a red. So I'm going to just try black hair. I don't know if I just received a bag like this because it was sent to me, but yeah, 3 bundles in a frontal. Things like that. It just comes with a wig cap, no box. I'm not judging the book by its cover because some of the best hair companies don't come with a box. It's pre-plucked. It has a lot of parting space, I feel like. And I feel like I won't have to pluck it as much. Sometimes these frontals come like super thick, so that's one good thing about it. It's not thick all around. Let's see if it sheds. It's no shedding. Overall, I do feel like I'm gonna like the hair. Curly hair is always my go-to. So I'm gonna show you guys what this bad boy is about to look like. I'm gonna make the wig, and I'm gonna probably install it on camera, but we'll see how that goes. Let's get to it.
Esco, ET, Esco Terrestrial.
Hey guys, so I'm finally finished. I have bleached the knots, did everything, I finished the wig, and I love the hair. The one thing I am sad about is the fact it's not what I wanted. I kind of wanted something on the loose wave type of curl. This is more on the kinky side. It's a beautiful curl pattern and like it's beautiful hair. It's just not what I wanted. I feel like it was more on my behalf because When I talked to the seller, I said I wanted curly hair. I didn't go into detail about what type of curl I wanted. Other than that, the curls are beautiful. They're definitely beautiful. I will show pictures in the natural state. It's still soaking wet, as you can see. To go over it, it is 20, 22, and another 22-inch bundle with a 20-inch frontal. The hair came within 7 days, which is a little longer, but it's being shipped all the way from China, I believe. I will put details of the hair below, but other than that, I love the hair. Next time I just will be more in detail about the type of curl I want, but I definitely do recommend this hair, and I feel like the seller was very good with customer service, and I had no issue with actual shedding or anything like that. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and check out my next video.
Yeah.